Opening shot, hydraulic press ready to crush voiceover. Ever wonder what happens when a bowling ball meets 150 tons of pressure? Welcome to the world of hydraulic press crushing. Cut to object getting crushed voiceover. Hydraulic presses use liquid power to apply insane force enough to flatten metal like paper. It works using Pascal's law. Pressure applied to a fluid spreads evenly in all directions. That's serious crushing power. Show a random item being crushed like a toy or fruit voiceover. From toys and phones to Legos and even food, it's oddly satisfying to watch them explode or fold like origami. Overlay stat, 97M subscribers. Voiceover, the hydraulic press channel made this trend huge, racking up over 9.7 million subscribers and billions of views. The secret? That shocking wow moment viewers can't stop watching. Final slow-mo crushing shot voiceover, crushing science, shock value, and satisfaction now that's pressure done right. Text on screen, would you put your phone under the press? Hashtag hydraulic press, hashtag satisfying, hashtag science.